just confused how should I name this dipping nail the wildest or the sweetest one. What do you say when it comes to typical animal print nails? This cute manicure picks up the leopard print as inspo, comes with 2 similar shades of pink and pure white, and reminds you of tasty strawberry and sweet milk. Follow my ideas and you will easily DIY flawless dipping nails at home in no time. The golden principle of color combo is to use a soft and bright color as the base color. It will be harmonious with any color to create any style. The pure white is soft as snow, and the 2 light pinks of petals and fairy dust make a sense of depth together. I always recommend you have a minimum of 2 layers of liquid and powder for your solid color nails to avoid uneven texture. But only need to give it 1 layer if you want to do any design on your nails to avoid bulky and clumps. A finer brush from our system makes your home salon nails dip to the next level. You don't even need multi-nail system or an expensive device, as long as you can paint by controlling your brush. It allows you to draw any delicate print with a small amount of liquid, but still have a chance to modify it even if you make slight mistakes. The trick to drawing a dual sweet 2-color leopard print is not to dip both colors at the same time. Dip in order from pink to white on one hand to get a more flawless nail look by lower speed, and on the other hand to avoid waiting a too long time to dip in properly. The clear powder must be used in the end to seal your design and protect it from damage when you buff and file. Let's get started.